Alright, okay. Before engine starting checklist. Check, 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 check. Continue. Fuel selector valve on the full tank. Both are full. Radio switch are all off, off. We already did all this. Boost pump, blah, blah, blah. Are we really using a 1-1?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Look, everyone's lined up.
That's so rare.
It kind of switches with the seasons, I guess.
Yeah. Alright. I have like, good thing I made a checklist on the iPad.
Alright, I'll go really slow here. Should I be on the left or the right side of center line, you think?
A little bit of right.
Okay, I'll show you
Just
right.
also watch your wing.
Gotcha, you watch my wing. Make sure I don't flip anything. I'm going nice and slow here. I'm trying not to ride the brakes, though.
There we go. Sit up a little bit more. That's nice.
Okay, just keep watching that.
Yeah.
I think we're good.
Alright, my feet are off the brakes.
Alright.
Be light on the pedals.
I meant to say for departure. That's technically the correct term. Is the ADSB on?
ADSB is on.
Okay.
It just needs to get higher altitude.
Okay, everything's set. Okay.
He's staying in the pattern, so he's
we'll
gonna
wait.
turn. Yeah. Hold your brakes, go up to 2,000 first, check your instruments one more time. Then.
Alright, there's 2,000 off the brakes. Full power set. Airspeed's alive. Right rudder. Aileron into the wind. Rotate. On the brakes. Gear in transit.
Keep that right rudder in.
Okay, let's accelerate to VY.
Low factor.
Okay. We're over 400 feet AGL, or actually, let's wait a little bit more.
Flaps and come up.
I'll do it at 500 here. 500 MSL. Pitch down, flaps up.
Flaps are up and secured. What do you want?
I was just turning up the intercom, or the comm. All right.
Lower the volume?
No, it's good.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Power.
Climb, power.
25, 25. Someone's over the...
Yep.
Yep, Robbinsville guy.
You got him on the iPad?
Yep. He's at 2,400, probably descending. Alright, past 1,000 feet, boost pump can come off. There you go.
There's 22.
Oh, your RPM's a little low. Bring it back up just a tad bit. There you go. And then lean that mixture like halfway at this altitude, you'll be fine. Alright, direct lob now. Now you can go magenta, baby. And if you like, you can also match your heading bug with the magenta, and you can see your track and also your heading bug. It's just fuck, dude. It's what a lifesaver.
In direct to WUDAB on a heading of 042, which is our initial fix, intermediate fix, and then direct to JOMNIP, which is our final approach fix. The JOMNIP will intercept the, well, we won't intercept anything. That's just the final approach fix. At 1600, we'll go down to our MDA of 560. We will hold that until hitting runway 32 or 0 DME on the GPS. Once we've reached that, and if we have not seen the runway, it's going to be a climb to 600, then a left turn to 2000 RBV vortex. Let's go ahead and get into COM 2, 121, 625.
Oh, COM
2.
121,
121, 625.
Why am I asking? Like, I don't have the approach plate yet.
We're 100 feet low.
I'm just going to lower that just a little bit. Sorry, bro. You can still hear them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just that CTAF, you know what I mean? Okay.
Okay, back to the approach.
Alright, finish it up.
So, circling not available at night. We're not a helicopter. We're going to pick up the local altimeter in just a second. If we don't, we're going to use Lake Pierce and increase the MDA by 40. AWAS, we're putting in now. We're not talking to McGuire, so we have to talk to Unicom on 123. Any questions? And our MSA is up 2100 in any direction within.
What's your minimum altitude?
The MDA?
Your minimums?
560 feet.
Okay. All right, let's listen to weather.
Turn that up for me.
What the fuck?
3052.
If you want more power. Three six. The wings are broken.
Okay, we have minimum visibility. 360 at what for the winds? 5?
I didn't hear the knots. Make sure you tune this. Oh, it's just 4 knots.
Okay, get rid of that.
There you go.
Okay, let's make a position call. You ready?
Before you do that, you have, okay, you're good. Make sure your trim is good. You might have it a little still. Yeah.
That's a little better.
If you feel your hand getting tired, it might not be trimmed out. Oh, your heading is a little. Get back on. Wow, that lake is iced up. Icy.
No, right?
It was so weird flying over.
Okay, we got one guy going back to Robbinsville. Down to 16.
And flaps as needed.
Got you. We'll wait until the FAF.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, we're still very far out. That's another Rooney.
Okay, coming up on Jamin. Okay, I'm heads down now. Minimums.
So,
Okay, bleeding off speed, down to 75. Bleeding off a little more. There's 75.
you're looking for 72.
That's for this takeoff flaps?
Yep.
Okay.
It's 70 for full.
Okay, we're at 77. Need more back trim.
You can push that nose down a little bit. There you go.
We got a jet on the other runway.
They're doing a circle to land.
I don't know if that's a jet. It's just.
Alright, keep that nose down. Keep that nose down. You're still pretty high. Keep that nose and slowly flare out. Flare, flare. Hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off. Now, if that wasn't butter,
get my flaps, get my flaps.
your flaps are ready to take off. Go.
Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot. This plane's takeoff flaps. Okay, brakes, gear.
You want to do the mist?
No.
Holy shit.
Dude, look at this performance. Holy shit. I dare somebody to meow right now.
Don't make me do.
You want to try and just do the approach for 3-2 again?
Yeah, so
Okay. Go ahead and vector me.
November 772 Victor, I see you are on the mist. I'm going to vector you back for the RNAV 3-2. For now, have a heading of 130.
Okay, Mooney 7172 Victor 130 on the heading, and what would you like us at for altitude?
November 772 Victor, you're good to climb up to 2,000 for the, sorry, what is it?
Climb and maintain 2,000 for a runway 32 approach.
What is it, the minimum altitude?
2,100.
No, like, is it MEA?
MSA.
MSA. I thought it was MSA, but I was losing my mind for a whole second. Alright. Slowly walk out that power, all the way out. Don't flare yet, you're still a bit high. And now, hold it off, hold it, hold it, hold it. Good. More flare, more flare, more flare, more. Oh, perfect. Let's get back into it. You're good. Watch your rudder. Yeah, very sensitive. Alright. Let's get you up to 1200 traffic pattern. Once you're midfield downwind, I'm going to cut your power.
Okay.
And then that's all you. You put gear, flaps as much as you need. And 90 knots is best glide. However, you're going to have to make some executive decisions on how slow you can make that airplane.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, 100 feet below.
No, that's behind us.
Okay.
They're taking off. I'll do your calls.
Yeah.
Huh?
Never mind. Okay, engine out, no time to glide, or no time to VY. Alright, and let's keep our nose pointed towards the airport.
Flaps and gears as needed.
Got you. Got a long runway, so let's be conservative. I might even slip here just to be really conservative. Go ahead and call base to final turn, simulated engine out. Alright, gear down, speed check.
Keep pulling that nose towards that runway. That gear is
Gear
gonna
down, gear down, yep.
keep pointing that nose towards that runway. Keep going towards that. I don't care. I want you straight to that runway. You're not gonna make it if you don't. Go straight. Yeah, keep that shallow banks. You don't want to lose too much energy now. Ooh, I think that gear really fucked you up.
Let's see if we can make it. I still have a little bit of airspeed left, and it's gonna be a really shallow bank to line 3-2.
I'm gonna have to call.
Yeah, go ahead and put power. Go ahead, call go around. Alright, let's try that again.
Let's try that again.
Gear up.
I'm not satisfied.
Yeah, we should have waited a lot longer for the gear.
A lot longer, maybe they turned a little bit more aggressively. Once that engine goes out, just start putting your airplane closer and closer to the runway. And it's a long runway.
In real life, I could have also just landed on that runway. Even though it's closed.
Oh, the middle. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
The pacha.
I gotta call back with something.
Pushed up.
Keep turning. I want you. We don't need to worry about this base to final. Square it out. Just turn this bitch. Keep it going. Keep that turn going. You got a lot of speed. All right, get that speed. Get that gear. You're gonna make it. Keep turning left. Don't stop.
Gear down. Gear down.
You're gonna come out at a really odd angle. It's okay.
Flaps.
All right. Keep turning left. You're gonna come at an angle. It's okay. All right, you're at 90 knots, so you got a lot of runway, a lot of airspeed. So let's bleed out that airspeed. Oh, you got okay. What?
I don't even know, bro.
All right, a little high. Bleed off the airspeed. You're still very fast. Bleed. Oh, flare. Flare. Hold that nose back, buddy. Oh, you did not flare, buddy.
I'm
sorry.
not properly trimmed, that's why. I was holding it like all the way back.
Oh, yeah, trim will get you.
Alright, let's see if we can make this next.
Ignore that bounce.
Alright, let's get off right here. Put some brake, more brake. Wait! fully back? Are you sure?
Not fully back, but
Yeah.
I didn't want to, like, you know how it's, like, extra sensitive that last little bit?
The ballooning?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you saw that bounce, so a lot of energy.
Yeah, we went from, like, 90 to 60.